your videos to look basic, it's because you are not changing your background the right way. In this video, I will show you the cleanest method in Capcut using just your phone. But before we start, consider doing this before you even open your Capcut for your background remover. To look very smooth, use a plain background. Stand in front of a simple background, white wall, curtain, or anything without pattern. Use a tripod stand or stable surface. If your phone shakes, your cutout will shake too. Place your phone on a tripod or table, no hand holding. Don't wave your arm too much while you are demonstrating when shooting your video. Avoid your hand not to fly out of frame. The AI cutout will break. Now the last one. Set up your camera clean. Wipe your camera lens and place yourself where lighting is even. Now that your clip is clean, let's jump into Capcut and change the background. Firstly, you open your Capcut, tap a new video to take it to your file. Then once you tap a new video, you select your background first. And don't forget, always turn your HD quality when exporting your video from your file. So once your background is added, you tap on overlay. You will see that the down button, you tap overlay, so you add your video, the real video, you add it to your background. Stretch your video to fill the again. Search for auto remove, so you tap on auto remove, cut out, and it will bring it to the frame. So you can see it has removed now, so the background has changed. So you position your video very well to fit in the background. So once you position it, you play it so that you can see it's displaying very well. So you trim the edge of the video if necessary. It's not a must, but if necessary, trim the edge of your video. Maybe there was a mistake here, so you trim the edge. Then you position it to fit in with the background. Now the real trick. Once you position your video on your background, you go to adjustment. You scroll down the button down on the Capcut menu. So you see adjustments. Now you increase your contrast first, then your saturation, then down to your brightness, your brilliancy rather. So you increase your brilliancy, then you go to your highlights and increase it a little bit. You increase it the way you want. Either you decrease or you increase depending on the photo and the background you are using. You are just doing all that so that they can fit in with your background. You see, I'm increasing the shadow so that it can look real. Then you use your fade so that, see, when I increase it now, you can see the way it brings it depending on your style. So you increase and decrease, and you check for confirmation. So you check it, you can see. So you check it and play it and see maybe it's fitting with your background. If it does not fit in with your background, you can go back to the menu and adjust it and do your contrast and everything very well. And that's how you transform a plain clip into a clean studio style video using only Capcut on your phone. If you want more of my tutorial, like this and comment yes.